It's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: automatic transmission, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, trailer sway control, 4-wheel drive with traction control, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, and OnStar remote link. GMC, professional-grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.